Hey YouTube, this is a very basic unboxing and video review for this 12-inch SATA cable. This video review is for SunTekStore.com. Let's get started. I have already unboxed the 12-inch SATA cable just to save time on this video. So I'll be showing you guys how it looks and the basics. As I have already mentioned, it is 12 inches. Alright, and the ends that it has are the L end and the normal end right there. Alright, so that's basically it. If you buy from SunTek Store, mostly everything has free shipping, and the shipping is fast and very well packaged. I would highly recommend anybody to buy from SunTekStore.com. Well guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my next videos. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.